Hi, this is a 2014 BMW 328i. What we did on this, he put a head pipe in here, kind of like a inverter head pipe ordeal. We took the original one out, put that in there. A little bit of improvising to make it work. That flange really didn't work. Had to kind of weld it in, but that went in good. Made some sound, not too much. And then we decided to cut this muffler out the back. That one right there. And ran a pipe on there. Put a nice black tip on there. Looks pretty good. So let's start this thing up. We'll see what it sounds like. And also, we left everything else in there. Still got the original pipe, the original resonator or secondary cat maybe. Another resonator. And we cut out the back muffler. So the front cat's been deleted, but performance cat's been put in. That's still there, and the muffler's been deleted. Let's see how it sounds. All right, so there's a nice tip we put on there. Looks pretty good, nice black tip. Let's go ahead and start it up now. Oh yeah. Got that nice little crackle to it. Sounds good.